Jungle.
So I'm driving down the street, minding my own business, when clouds of smoke shoot out from under the hood and the low coolant level message shows up. So I pull over, pop the hood, and check the water pump and the radiator hoses, but they're dry. The steering linkage isn't completely drenched like the tranny pan and cross member, so I get up and check the coolant hose coming from the heater core, and sure enough, there's my problem. But I have a quick solution. Self-fusing silicone tape. You can pick this up at almost any parts store, and this stuff has gotten me out of plenty hot water in times past. I keep a roll in the glove box, but before using, you want to clean the area to the best of your ability. So the way this stuff works is simple. You unroll and cut it to the length you need and peel the plastic strip away. This stuff only bonds to itself, so it's not sticky and makes removal easy, but conforms to the shape it's wrapped on for an air and watertight seal. And when using this tape, you have to stretch it as you wrap it for best results. And this is what it looks like when it's all said and done. This is a temporary fix that will get me back on the road until I get the replacement hose. But I've had this stuff on some of my coolant hoses for years with no problems. I even use this tape to wrap around the bottom of the funnel until the diameter fits the opening in the radiator, which effectively makes it a spill-free funnel. So it's a day later and I'm at the Advanced Auto Parts. The heater hose that they'll give you is Dayco part number 80402 because it comes up in their system, but this hose is too short. So I walked in the back myself and found this hose, Dayco part number 80405, and it's the same inside diameter, but you'll have to cut it to fit.